Ready to transform your website's user interface into something truly unforgettable? Let's dive right into creating an eye-catching cover profile within Dreamweaver, the perfect way to grab your audience's attention. First, open Adobe Dreamweaver and select File. Then click New. This opens a window where you can choose the type of file you're creating. Select HTML as your document type, then explore the layout options. Think about how you want your cover profile to look. Consider single column layout for simplicity, or experiment with a more complex structure. Now for the fun part: design. Use Dreamweaver's design view to construct your profile. Add a visually striking header element to the top. Next, insert a placeholder to represent your profile picture, ensuring it's in a prominent position, and then add text boxes for your name, a brief description, and any other crucial information. Dreamweaver makes this easy with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Enhance the visual appeal by adding colors, fonts, and images while you make sure they fit in with your overall website by creating a design that makes sense. Preview your progress in real time using Dreamweaver's split-screen mode, checking both the code and the design. Once you're happy with the design, use Dreamweaver's file options to save your cover profile page and link it to the appropriate part of your website. You've now created a captivating interface, and there you have it, a stunning cover profile to captivate your audience.